Hi everyone, I'm Andy Cook from Rocky Mountain Reflections Photography. Welcome to our Spring 2025 Badlands National Park Photography Workshop. In this video, you'll see our participants capturing the stunning landscapes and unique moments from some of our favorite shooting locations in this amazing park. Our workshop began with a touch of drama, as scattered rains kept us on our toes. But we quickly adapted, heading to the Pinnacle's Overlook, a fantastic choice with its accessible graveled trails. As the sun dipped below the horizon, we were blessed with soft, warm sidelight, illuminating these incredible rock formations, turning a challenging start into a truly captivating first shoot. While morning conditions initially tested our patience, the big Badlands Overlook eventually delivered absolutely perfect photography lighting. Our long lenses allowed us to isolate compelling compositions, revealing the intricate array of lines and curves. With wider angles, we captured the sheer grandeur of the scene, and some participants even discovered breathtaking panoramas from often overlooked perspectives, showcasing the immense scale and detail of this incredible landscape. That evening, after attempting to navigate some still muddy trails, we put Plan B into action, and thankfully it proved to be a stroke of genius. Brooding storm clouds painted the sky, creating incredibly dramatic scenes. Then, as if on cue, those threatening skies transformed, bursting into vibrant color at sunset. It was a powerful reminder of nature's unpredictable beauty and the rewards of staying flexible to capture truly unique light. The next morning brought clearer, colder skies, a welcome change, allowing the trails to firm up for our highly anticipated final evening shoot. After another day of image review and intensive post-processing, we headed out to test the mud, and it was firm. The group arrived on location a few hours before sunset, under ideal overcast skies, ready to explore this truly spectacular landscape. Under these perfect conditions, the group culminated the workshop with an astonishing final shoot, capturing some of the most memorable images of the entire experience. If these incredible landscapes and the art of photography inspire you, we'd love to have you join us. Click the link in the description below to learn more about upcoming Rocky Mountain Reflections photography workshops. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more photographic adventures.